How to add your custom instruction for Qwen AI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can add your custom instructions for Qwen AI. So in order to add your own custom instructions, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. First, head on to the chat.qwen.ai website and within the website, click over to your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now from here, click onto the settings option and within settings, click personalization. Now within the personalization, you will see this customize Qwen toggle. So from here, click onto the settings and within the settings, if you will scroll down, you will see at the last the custom instruction as how should Qwen behave. From here, you can specify the roles you expect Qwen to follow, or the specific response format you would like to be used. So for example, I have spaced this particular detailed custom instructions which says that the Qwen is a highly capable AI assistant which always adopts a clear, objective, and constructive tone and adhere to the following formatting and response rules, which you can read right here. So this is how you can customize the same. And once that is done, click onto this save button as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.